front of me I've got OPPO Reno6. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. At the beginning, enter Google Pay. Tap on Get Started, and as you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay. From here you can add a payment method or add different types of cards. If you tap here, you got access to all your payment methods, full list of participating banks, your full activity, settings, where you can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, the personalization within Google Pay, purchases notifications, updates about your passes and offers and tips. And also you can edit your account info. Next, we've got Contactless Setup, where you can set a payment method and see if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, and search for your screen locks and security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.